Hello everyone, welcome back. Day 2. This is the turkey that we were working on yesterday. I showed you guys how to brine your turkey and I shared with you all my special recipe, at least for this Thanksgiving, that I'm using to brine my turkey, because believe me, I probably change brining and seasoning every Thanksgiving, because you see I got a 19-pound, 20-pound turkey that is able to fit with the entire solution and be completely submerged. Today we are going to be doing the part 2, brining / marinade. The first thing that I did was to brine my turkey in a wet solution, just to make sure that, I have the salt going deep inside my turkey. So after I take my turkey out of its brining solution, I'm gonna wash it thoroughly. So anytime that you brine your turkey or any type of poultry, make sure that you wash your poultry or turkey really well. After you wash it, make sure that you pat it dry. You want it a bit dry before you apply your marinade. We are going to have a special marinade that's just gonna take your food to the next level. When you brine your turkey, it's already next level. You add a marinade, that's Chef Wannabe's next level. I will see you guys later. I'm gonna get this turkey to take another bath. So I'm done washing my turkey. I washed it for about a good 5 minutes to make sure that I remove all the excess of oil. So now, before I go ahead and apply my marinade, I'm gonna dry it up a little bit, because marinade often tend to stick better on a dry surface rather than if you're trying to mix it with some water. It is not necessarily going to stick all the way. So just grab some paper towel and you just give it a bath. So you gotta dry. You wanna show your turkey some love, so they can show you some love on Thanksgiving Day. Now, I don't know if you guys name your turkey, but I do name mine. I don't know whether it's appropriate for me to give you the name of my turkey, because I might offend a few people out there who might be bearing the name. Well, it's all in good fun, So now I'm gonna be working on the marinade, and I will show you guys what we're working with. See you in a bit. To keep in line with my brining, I decided to keep the marinade, not too far from it, so that we can keep the same flavor profile throughout our brining and marination. So if you remember, on the brining, I use some lemon, I use some orange, to give it that little citrus undertone within the turkey. For my marination, I'm sticking also to the same citrus combination. We have a cup of olive oil. I have a half a cup of soy sauce. Over here, it's a mixture of lemon juice and orange juice. So a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Here I have a teaspoon of lemon zest and orange zest. Here I have a teaspoon of sweet paprika, and I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Here we have about a healthy teaspoon of cumin. We have a teaspoon of coriander. I have about a 1.5 teaspoons of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now, if you're looking at our herbs, herbs, I have a quarter cup here of sage. I have 2 tablespoons of rosemary, a quarter cup of chopped thyme. I have half a cup of parsley, a quarter cup of chives, and a healthy tablespoon of garlic. So we are going to put all that together in our little mixer. We're gonna mix it together and then we're gonna go to town on the turkey. So, just go ahead, gently rub on the turkey. Make sure that, don't be afraid, apply a generous amount. And also don't forget between the skin and the meat, right? So that you can go in and put also some seasoning. Operate section by section so that a marinade is not just gonna get stuck on the top skin. It's also gonna be on the inside. So now I'm gonna flip it. Also, one thing I like to do is just to create little holes, and try to be gentle as you create the holes. You don't want to completely bruise the skin on top, but enough small holes where your seasoning is gonna go inside them. Ideally, I would have loved to give it another 24 hours, and I'm probably thinking of putting my turkey in the oven around noonish, 1 o'clock, so that we can have a little bit of a late lunch. I'm gonna give it a good 12 hours, to stay in the fridge for the second phase of my marinade to go through. I can already smell it, It hasn't even started cooking. It smells good, and I bet you it will taste good. I will see you all tomorrow for the reveal or what a turkey looks like, and I will show you guys also what my Thanksgiving table looks like.